All right, everybody, we are at challenge 8 and 9, another double challenge. Are you up for it? It says, you have learned so much. Let's have some fun with text now. Watch the videos and change the font to anything other than Arial, the font size to 36, and choose make it bold or underlined. All right, I had a lot of words in there that you might have never heard before. The first one is font. It says change the font. Font is just a fancy word for how these letters look. If we choose something different, a different font, that means these letters are going to look different. Okay, so that's the first part of this lesson, changing the font. So the first thing I want you to do is in the beginning, very beginning of the lesson, you learn to double click. That means click 2 times fast. So when you click 2 times fast or touch with your finger 2 times fast, you're going to make this word that says hello. You're going to get that fancy blue. It's a highlight. It's like a box right here. It's highlighting the word hello. So that means that we're going to be doing something to this word. So right here, that word Arial matches that word. And the direction said we want to change it to anything other than Arial. So that means Arial is the name of the way those letters look. Okay. So when you click this arrow down, it's going to give you so many more choices. All right. You don't have to choose the same one as mine. The way you know which one is chosen, in case you forget Arial, it's up here at the top. They highlighted it in yellow. Okay. And if you go down, there it is. It has a check mark. That check mark means that that's the one that's chosen. So I'm going to just scroll down and make it something different. I think I'm going to make it something a little fancy, maybe. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, if you choose something like this, I can definitely tell you chose something different. And now look, this different font has the name right here, the name of the way those letters look right here. So I'm going to know that you changed it to something different than Arial. So when you turn in your work, this word up here is not going to be the one that matched this word right here. Okay, it's not going to say Arial anymore. Okay, so if say you didn't like that one, you're like, oh, that's okay. But maybe I could, change it to something else. And it's fun to see what those different fonts do. Just double click it again. I love doing this. Teachers love changing fonts. They love changing the way the letters look to find something that they, catches their eye that they really like. Maybe something different. I don't know, like this one. That made it smaller. So you can choose any one you want. I'm going to go back to this one and choose that one. And in the next lesson, I'm going to end this lesson. And then I want you to practice choosing a font, anything other than Arial. And then I'm going to tell you what you're going to do next in the next video. I'll see you in a minute.